The Chandrayaan-3 spacecraft's payload fairing has been consolidated with the Geosynchronous Launch Vehicle Mark III by the Indian Space Research Organization. Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota performed the mating of the payload fairing with India's heaviest rocket. The 3,900 kg spaceship was initially encapsulated in the payload fairing. After that, it was transferred to be integrated aboard the rocket at the U.R. Rao Satellite Center. Spacecraft will be forced to propel outside of Earth's orbit, sending it towards the Moon at a distance of around 384,000 kilometers from the planet Earth. A soft landing on the Moon is a possibility, and the slated date for launch is July 13th or 19th, said Indian Space Research Organization Chief S. Somnath. S. Somnath had earlier stated that the ideal time to launch the spacecraft is between July 12th and July 19th, when the orbital dynamics will guarantee minimal amount of fuel usage and greater efficiency for the trip to the Moon.